Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, S25 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. They offer AMOLED 2x display, 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 4 rear cameras and also 12 megapixel front cameras. Let's compare the battery features. All three mobiles come with 5000 mAh batteries. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity through speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.